Hey guys, welcome for another beach video. I bet everybody's happy today, or many people are happy today. We have a reason to celebrate. I just got to the beach and it started raining. Let me go undercover. Give me just a second. Bitcoin finally pumped. So we basically went from $4,000 a couple months ago, from $4,000 to today above $9,000 in 2 months. So guys, if you've been holding on to your Bitcoin and to your crypto in general, you've done very, very well during this crisis. While most people, unfortunately, are going broke because of the stupid government laws and regulations and the way they handle this crisis. But if you guys have been holding on to your Bitcoin and to your crypto, you did really, really well during this crisis. Last time I checked the charts before I left home now, the price was above 9,000. So in a smaller time frames, we're just blasting through all the moving averages and through all the levels of resistance. And on the monthly chart, we had a clear bounce on the 20-month moving average. So at the bottom of the bear market, hi.
It's rain.
Yeah, it's raining.
I know.
So. At the bottom of the bear markets a few months ago, the previous low, we bounced on the 50-month moving average. We had a real big bounce, and then we've been retracing and correcting. We've been in another mini bear markets, and now we bounced on the 20-month moving average. So you can see every low is higher than the previous low. So technically we are in a bull market actually, and the most important time frame, at least for me, is the weekly. Now we've blasted through all the moving averages as of right now that I'm making this video. Last time I checked the price, we were above the 50-week moving average. So we need to wait and see how this weekly candle is going to close. But if we close above the 50-week moving average, this is going to be really, really bullish. And the higher from the 50-week moving average, the higher we close, the more bullish. The higher we close, it means that probably when we finally have a retracement, we probably will use the 50-week moving average as a support, which is right now at more or less $9,000, just below $9,000. Everybody's coming because it started raining. Hey guys. So right now is at $9,000, just below $9,000. So it means probably when this finally corrects, the price will find support at the 50-week moving average. So what I'm trying to say here is that if we close above the 50-week moving average, the more chances that we won't go below 9,000 again, never again probably. So guys, it's been a long time since Bitcoin had a pump like this, but I just want to remind you that this is the normal really for Bitcoin. I mean, it's been like 2 years of a little bit of boring and depressing market, but over time, in the long term, this is what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin pumps and pumps and pumps and pumps. I mean, in the past 8 years, Bitcoin is up like 13,000%. I mean, this is just what Bitcoin does. It just pumps and pumps and pumps aggressively. It doesn't mean it's not going to correct. It's going to have aggressive corrections as well. It always happens. But in general, this is the normal for Bitcoin. And now after 2 years, more or less, about 2 years of depressing market, I think it's time to start pumping. And you know, the worse this crisis gets, the more bullish I'm on Bitcoin. So I'm going to be updating all the charts for premium members today. That's why I don't want to do crypto forecast for YouTube, because I don't want to spoil everything. You know, that there's some members that are actually paying for this information. So I'm going to be updating all the charts as soon as I get back home now from the beach. For members, if you guys want to join the membership, I'm running a promo now, 3 months for the price of 1. a lot of people, have been dropping from the membership in the past month since this crisis started, because the markets were kind of boring. So there hasn't been like tons of updates, and people got bored, and many people dropped. The people that there's left there, it's people that's been with me in the groups since the very beginning, like since 2017 or 16 or whenever I started this. I can't even remember now. It's hello. It's people that's been there since for a very, very long time, since the beginning. And guys, when people starts to get bored and start dropping, is usually right when the move is going to come. So patience pays in markets. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.